Hi guys, and welcome to the SamLabs tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the compare block in the SamSpace app. The compare block is a really useful function that allows you to compare a numerical input to a particular logical condition that you've set, and that sends a true or false whether that condition is met or not met. To use this function, I'm going to be showing you with a light sensor and an RGB LED how this works. The first thing I'm going to do is quickly show you how to pair the blocks as well. So if I go in, I can go to my connect blocks, pair my light sensor, and that is now connected. You can see the light on the side. Likewise, I'm going to turn on my LED, which I already paired, and that automatically jumps in and shows a white light. So those are two blocks now ready to use. If I go over to the left, I can see the My Block section where I've got both the light sensor and the LED ready to go. By dragging both of those onto the canvas, I'll be able to start creating my program. The number that you can see on the screen is actually the reading on the light sensor. So if I cover the light sensor with my hand and make it darker, you can see that that number goes down. And if I uncover it and hold it up towards the light, you can see that that number gets higher. So we've got a really interactive way of exploring the amount of light levels around us. But the system that I want to set up is for this light to turn on when the light sensor drops below a certain value. Kind of like the system that you have in your car for your headlights that turn on at night, or a night light that you might have in the house as well. There's a lot of different systems that use this logic. And of course, the compare block can be used in other applications as well, where you want to compare the inputs from a sensor to some sort of a condition and have an output that's triggered from that. So to set up this system, it's really simple. All I need to do is grab my compare block, drag it onto my canvas, and then connect from the light sensor to the compare block, and then to the light. Now by default, that compare block is going to say equal to 60. Now that's not the condition that I want, because I want to set it to be less than or equal to 30. So when it's less than or equal to 30, so when it's darker than 30 in the room, I want my light to turn on. So what I'm going to do is just go into the compare block, set the operator to be less than or equal to, and I want the condition here to be 30. So you can see that the actual icon changed, so it's now showing less than or equal to 30, right? And if I cover the light sensor with my hand, I'm lowering my hand there, you'll see that that light then turns on as soon as that number is less than 30. Currently it's reading 19, and 19 is less than or equal to 30, and therefore it's true, and that turns this light on. And if I move my hand away, it turns off. So if you'd connected the light sensor directly to the light, it would just be dimming in and out. But by adding that compare block, we can actually then turn it into a true-false signal that turns the light on or off. It's a really handy tool to know when you're programming in SamSpace. I hope this video has been useful. If you have any ideas or suggestions for other things that you would like to see, let us know in the comments below. Likewise, if you have any questions about this video, do let us know as well. Otherwise, thank you so much for tuning in, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care.